Hey folks, you got Warren here from Phillips Chevrolet, #1 Chevy dealership in the Midwest. And I'm going to show you guys how to put your 2018 Chevy Sonic LT in valet mode. First, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your Chevy modeling screen. You're going to go to settings. And after you go to settings, you're going to have three little options up here. You go all the way over to vehicle. Press vehicle, and then you go all the way down. It's going to say valet mode. While it's in valet mode, it's going to pop up this. It's going to pop up 4 boxes. You just pick a four-digit code that you can remember. Right now, it's going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. It's going to ask you to confirm it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lock. Give it a couple seconds. And the vehicle is currently locked. This whole modeling screen is currently locked right now. And how you unlock it is you just pretty much put in that same password that you put in first. Hit unlock, and now it's unlocked. And that is how you put 2018 Chevy Sonic LT in valet mode.